In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the app Videorama. This is a video editor you can get for your iOS device for free, and it has a pro version that you have to pay a subscription for. But anyway, let's get into the video and review this video editor. So as you can see, I have it on my home screen. It's called Videorama, has a V in the logo. You might have to have an option for logging in or signing up, but if not, you'll be at your home page or your main menu, I guess you could say. There's info in the top left corner, there's help in the top right corner. You can see your projects that you've started, and you can create a new one at the bottom by clicking or tapping what project size you want, so whether you want portrait, square, or landscape. So I'm just going to go to the project I've already made, and you tap it and you can say edit, clone, delete, or share. I'm going to go to edit. So this is a sneak peek of a little video you'll see in the future. This is going to be on my other channel, but here's just a fraction of it. So you put add new clip to add your clips, and then there'll be a square for each clip you have up. So you can drag squares around to position them where you want in the clip. You can tap on the video line to get more options. At the bottom, edit, clip, trim, duplicate, reverse, and some other things. So you can also scroll by just dragging with your finger. But I'm going to show you how to trim first. I'm going to tap trim. You just drag it where you want. You say done. And I have a video effect. And you can get those by, when you have nothing selected, the bottom bar, there's different options like text edit, image, voice, video effects, sound effects, music, overlays, and filters. You just get it by going to video effects and downloading the one you want. So you might have to have a pro subscription for this. Right now, I'm running the free trial, so all the things you're seeing, I have access to. But if you don't get premium, you'll have less features. Like you won't have all the effects and cool things. You also will have a watermark, which will be annoying. So remember that. If you want to get the best out of this app, you have to have a subscription. So that really affects whether you want to get this app or not. And the subscription is quite pricey, so that's a downside. But the pro tools I'm testing out right now, so I'm just giving you a look at what they are and how they work and how good they are. So back to the video effects. Download the one you want, put it where you want by just dragging, and I'll show you what it looks like. So it kind of looks a little amateur, but this is a phone app, remember, and this isn't a super expensive software either, so it's not going to look super realistic, but it's cool. They have effects. I'll give them that. Let's see what adding text does. Test. Push done. Push done over there. And then have it for part of the video. It goes away with the explosion, it looks like. So that's interesting. You can record your voice. You can add an image. It looks like they have free images you can use from Pixabay. I already mentioned the video effects. There's sound effects. Whole bunch of them. You can add music. It looks like some of these are free. Let's see how good they are. Epic opening. Not bad. It's nice to give you some free music to use. Sometimes it's hard to find good music, but hopefully they have some good things for you to use. Let's tap on overlays, and you can have shimmers, ashes, dust, bunch of things. So if you want your video to look a little more interesting, like have water droplets on it or something like that, you can do it. There's also filters. So those are the basic features. You have text, sound effects, and video effects, images, voice, music, overlays, and filters. So not a whole lot of things you can do. Looks like you can duplicate, which isn't anything special, but it could save you some time. You can reverse, that's a cool feature. It reverses the clip, and so it looks like, so if you do an explosion, it looks like it's coming together. So that's kind of cool, I like that. There's this add tranks. You can add transitions between videos, and there's a whole lot of options. That's great. Let's add a new clip and to try some of those things out. So I'm going to tap on this one. You push next. And what I don't like about this app is it takes a while to import. This is a 4-second video, and it's been like 10 seconds, which it's not a whole long time, but if you're doing several clips, it's kind of annoying. So it's added now. I'm actually going to tap on this one and then add transition. Then I'm going to do dissolve and see how it looks. So you can see kind of it dissolving a little bit. Some transitions are going to be more dramatic than others. Like this is similar, same background and colors, so it makes sense that it's not more pronounced. So that's a basic view of all the features. I don't know if it's worth $30 a year though. I mean, if you can get a lot of use out of it, maybe so, but $30 for that, especially if you're not going to use it much, I don't know if I'd get it. So remember that. But if you're just going to use the basic features, I would consider looking into other video editing apps, iMovie, and some others. But if you want the pro features for a reason, you better use this app a lot to get a good use out of it, because $30 a year is kind of expensive. But you get a 7-day free trial, I think, which I'm using right now. I think they say 3 days, but they don't renew after 3 days. They renew later on, which is kind of confusing, but anyway. So once you're ready to share the video, just say, okay, share. You can say the resolution in frames per second. You can have it high, 1080p, at 60 frames per second. You can go to photos, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, email, message, Twitter, and other. Let's look at other. Oh, I guess it saves your video. So it gives you the share sheet and different options of places to send it to and what to do with it. So you can also see the file name and the size of the file. So that's how you share it. You can just go back. So I'm going to go back to projects. And so this video editing app has some cool features. You don't get all of them unless you pay $30 a year. And it's not worth it to me because I'm not going to be needing all those features, like the video effects. I mean, it'd be nice to have them, but I have other software that can do what I need to do, and it's free. So if you're going to pay for the pro version of this app, I hope you'd better use it a lot, because $30 for not using it much is a waste of money, because you can get other video editing apps and software that do more for a free price. So I wouldn't get this if you're going to use the free version. Just saying that right now. If you're going to pay for it to use all the features, you better make good use of it. Like I said, other software for free, like iMovie, can do most of the things this can do, and if you use a free version of this, it has a watermark, which is crazy. So a lot of video editors, I think, do that, but get iMovie over this if you're not going to pay for it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe if this was helpful to you. Please comment what you like or don't like about this app or video. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.